Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more NASCAR Authentics from 2019 Wave 4, and this is one of the few trucks, and this is the only truck in this wave, It is Brett Moffitt, number 16, Chicago race win car, which is the Overton's 225. On the back are more cars I've reviewed. Let's get Brett Moffitt out of the box. He is one of the 3 trucks released. Earlier there were 2 trucks, Matt Crafted and Chase Briscoe, but I didn't get them. Oh, and here's the card. And here is the truck. Now, you guys don't know who Brett Moffitt is. He is one of the few truck drivers in the Camping World Truck Series, and he is last year's Truck Series winner. He competed in 2015 in the Cup Series for 34 when David Reagan was replacing other drivers and won Rookie of the Year. So let's take a look at the truck. He is number 16. His sponsor is FR8auctions.com. He is covered in confetti because he won. This year his truck number was 24, but last year he was number 16. So his truck is a Toyota Tundra. This is actually my first ever truck, and it is in the Camping World Truck Series, which is now called the Gander Outdoor Truck Series. On the card, he is the Overton's 225 winner in Chicago. He led for 150 laps out of... Oh wait, no, there were 150 laps, and he started 6th in this race. This car is mostly black with 16s. They are way different than Greg Biffle's. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.